Hello traders, myself Manu Sharma, and today we are going to understand the importance of plain chart reading. It is good for beginners as well as intermediates who sometimes get stuck on figuring out what and how to do. This way of coming back to the initial stage is going to aid in your visualization as well as achieve something meaningful. Let's start. Now as I can see that something happened here, then it came up, then this particular consolidation region came, and then the move shooted up. We are going to analyze these things firstly. Afterwards we are going to move forward and analyze further steps of how did all that happen. Let's start by phase 1, which is this one. As you can see, it is evident that a W structure got formed and its resistance around here got broken somewhere here, then it came up. It stayed in this particular region for a lot of time, and we are talking about days, so a lot of days. Afterwards, what happened was a breakout came this region. In that breakout, this candle got it confirmed. You can see a small retesting of this region also what happened. Afterwards it shooted up. Next thing is the steepness of the moves. Now it is clearly evident that this one, move 1, I'm naming it move 1, is pretty steep compared to this one, which is not that much steep. It is just candles, lot of red candles coming, and it is just struggling to go up, and of course it came up a little bit. Afterwards what happened was a double top again got formed. So if I mark this particular all this region over here, it got tested thrice, once, not actual testing but nearby region testing, twice over here and thrice over here. Afterwards the stock came down again, rested a few days here, and boom, more down. Now in this type of plain chart reading, these things are clearly evident, which I can see without having the need to put any indicator or anything. Let us move down further. Again I can see the move got consolidated. The stock was just going in range. You know, when someone runs too fast at a very fast pace, the person gets tired and then just relaxes for some time before making another move ahead. Same way happened in this case. We can see that the stock rallied upwards and then it came downwards. Now it got tired. It's just resting in this particular region. It's forming a zone over here, and it's slightly moving also. That is clearly evident. Let me draw a trend line. It is just slightly moving. It came up very little bit. The high of this candle got tested, this and this. Afterwards again resting, nothing, then it came up. Here also a trend line can be drawn, which is respected at various points. Also you can draw a top trend line, which is also respected. This type of things, all this analyzation I have identified in a plain chart without any indicators. If you add indicators, it is of course going to add on to your value. Now how do you add indicators based on this? Suppose you want to eliminate certain stuffs and make it more proficient, make your trading and entering more proficient, you have to go on and play around with these indicators and then find your perfect one, which is going to even enhance your trading, because now you know how the plain stock is working. So to improve this and to add on to your practice, you are supposed to add the indicators overlaying on the charts or underlaying onto the charts. That's it in this short video. Hope to meet you with more such videos in the next section. Goodbye.